Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Now there are 156 cases which were reported. So if I give you the timeline, on 12th of March the first case was reported, and in that first week we had a total of 55 cases being reported, and as of now the total number is 156. As soon as the case was reported on 12th of March, Health Department has started screening all the residents who are staying in that complex. There are 328 flats there. Health Department has done screening in all the flats. There are 5 blocks also. What they have noticed is from a particular block A there were no cases, but from the other blocks there were cases of diarrhea which were reported. Now Pollution Control Board also have done an inspection there on 16th of March, and they had found out that the STP plant which is there in that complex is not functioning properly, and untreated water was getting mixed with the treated water, and that was also going into the borewell, and because of which the people were consuming the water from the borewell, and because of that water contamination this diarrhea situation has arisen. Now regarding the numbers which has been reported this week, I'll just tell on Wednesday we had only 2 cases being reported, and yesterday no new case was being reported. All the cases which were reported in the health center has been treated. People were put on ORS, zinc, and there was one case where they have to prescribe an antibiotic. Otherwise no major case were there. Now, by looking at the numbers, the situation is under control since there were no cases which were reported yesterday. Instructions have been given by the Pollution Control Board to the builder to ensure that the untreated water is not getting mixed with the borewell and the other facility. Meanwhile, drinking water department has also done their checking and all. In their samples, no sample has turned out to be positive. Health department has done some checking, and there we have observed that some samples were positive. So the culture sample from the PWD tank, swimming pool and the other tank is negative. From the garden outlet, pipe and the borewell, the samples which were collected were positive, which actually indicates that the uncultured water was sent and was mixed with the treated water, because of which the issue has arisen.